I started off from a beauty background and then ended up doing my dermal and then my nursing. So I'm very much still hands-on in clinic. My Carlton clinic, we've got a 13-room practice and the Ballarat clinic is 5 rooms. We're very much laser focused and about a year ago have moved into the body space, which is doing extremely well, and we've introduced that across both of our clinics. I would say Cutera because of how well engineered their devices are. The results that you see people achieving are actually the results that you get in clinic, regardless of what your experience is. And I like the fact that they're really easy to delegate. So when I'm not always in the clinics, my staff are actually able to take those tasks on board really well. And safety is a big one with Cutera actually. I have 8 Cutera devices. I've got 3 XLVs, a Zeo, 2 Enlightens and 2 truSculpt IDs. I'd have to say my 2 favourite machines that I probably use the most when I'm actually in clinic are the XLV and the enlighten. I feel like it kind of covers off everything that I see walking through the doors from vascular to pigment, but also photo rejuvenation also. With a lot of our clients that come in with concerns on their face, their neck, their décolletage, body really, we were able to treat all the things that they didn't like in terms of, the dyschromias, but we weren't able to help with any of their body concerns, and hence then we introduced the truSculpt ID and we're seeing some amazing results. The truSculpt ID swayed us, so we were looking at what was out on the market, and what was out there was very long treatments, very uncomfortable, obvious downtime after the treatment, which is the complete opposite with truSculpt ID. It's a 15-minute treatment, it feels like a very warm hot stone massage, and once the person gets off the bed, you wouldn't even be able to tell that they've had anything done. Every person that looks in the mirror has got something that they would like improved or changed, and so being able to help them with that and just giving them really great healthy skin that they feel really comfortable wearing. Our philosophy is all about no filters, no makeup, and feeling really great in the skin that you're in, and I think we really do achieve that with the devices that we have.